Welcome back to our channel, ChandraAwesome again, guys. Let's continue our RC code modification design in this video. So in the previous video, we have designed this, these wheel hubs and the axle fitting and the turning linkage. Okay, so now we have to link these parts to these actual chassis of the truck, which means this one. Okay, so we got everything. Now let's fix this part to this. So what in what way you can fix this one? You can either fit this upper part to this one, or else you can, or else with the downside as well. So we don't, let's hide this sketch 70. We don't need it anymore. Okay, so what I'm doing to do is, Mhm. so let's do one thing. Why don't we add a suspension to it? Actually, we can. Okay, so let's try with that. It is actually possible. So in order to do that, just come to the lowest sketch. This sketch. Okay, is visible the 73 sketch. Now I'm going to select extrude and choose thin and select these circular edges. So we got a thin circle one. Okay, let's keep thickness to 1. Actually, we're going to fit this to this wheel to the chassis, so they're going to fit inside. Okay, we need to give the depth to small one and change the direction to down, not let's keep it to 3. Okay, that's fine. Let's change the second hand direction and give the value to 4. Okay, and give the thickness to be 0.5 because it is crossing the actual width. Okay, yeah, you can think that we can fit it to this, but still uh, this whole this size is enough, right? Let's keep it to 0.4. Okay, okay, that is perfect fit. Okay, and let's select this on the other side as well, the same thing. Select the inner circle, and there you go. Now select add. Now these two parts should be fit to the chassis, not this one. Okay, now okay, let's do one thing. We need to decrease this thickness as well. Okay, if you can see this inside one, the outside one. Okay, okay, let's keep it to 2, not 2, or let's keep to 1.5. Okay, and save it. So now we can place a spring here. Okay, it's simple. We can use a simple spring. Okay, I'm going to choose helix. Select. We need. It is asking cylinder or cone. Uh, I don't have both right now. Or if I choose cylinder, it says hole. I need an edge, so I'm going to choose circle. Once you choose circle, you can select the edge. This actually direction to down. Let's choose up and give the length should be 1.5. Okay, or else let's give it to 2. This is the actual. Okay, let's measure this distance. Sorry, I don't know. It is currently 2. Okay, let's keep it as 2. Helix length, and the number of turns is currently 4. Let's keep it as like this. Okay, now save it. Okay, hold a second. Not the inner circle edge. Let's choose outer one. This one. Why so? Because if you choose, when we add diameter to the spring, it will uh, fit inside of it, and the dimensions will be wrong. Okay, let's choose outside of it. Okay, now select, save it. I'm going to choose wiring tool. It's a custom tool. We can also find it within the custom tools option. Once you click on the add custom features, you can find it. So I have the wiring tool. I'm going to choose it. Choosing the curve, select the helix curve. Okay, keep the diameter to 1. Okay, that is also too big. Let's give it to 0.5. Okay, point. Okay, okay, that's cool. That is fine. That can easily fit. But the thing is, we need to adjust the helix because one turn is higher. Let's keep it the value to 3. Okay, I think it's not about the tons. Let's give it 2. Sorry, now it fit. Okay, you can copy the same thing on other side. Let's keep it like this. When we go into assembly, we can arrange them like this. Okay, now everything is perfect, and make sure it is okay. Now switch back to the assembly. Let's make another assembly by duplicating it. Okay, now we are going to work on these duplicate module RC potato truck. Okay, let's rename it, keep it RC. Fine. Now we are going to delete this part because the actual part is different. I'm going to hide it. Okay, okay. Uh, let's try replacing it. Maybe it's possible. Right click on it and replace the part 1 and select the replacement component. Select the RC modifications one and select the part 1 and save the changes. And we there you go. We simply replace the part from the assembly without modifying anything, but we may face a failed feature. So they also got replaced it. Only some of the features get failed because of the front modifications we have done. Okay. Now we need to import the other parts as well. Select insert, set RC modifications. We need a new tools that we actually drawn. Select the hubs. Okay, we insert the 6 parts and save it. So these are the 6 parts. Now let's assemble it here as well. Okay, it's simple, guys. Choose revolute mate. Choose this edge and this edge, and let's offset it. I don't know how much distance I have given. Let me check in the RC modifications. There is, I always forget the dimension, guys. Is the most topic for me, but I still trying to remember them. Okay, let me edit this extrude. Then I can find it. Oh, it's 4 mm offset. I'm going to choose same distance. Okay, instead of 3, let's keep it as 4. Cool. Uh, Let me do one thing, guys. And let me create a. Okay, let's create a folder here. See modifications and save it. Now let me move these new animations. Okay, I'm trying to add a new folder here. Actually, it is possible. Let me. Okay, here you can see right click on the new made and you can find the option add section to folder. Select it. Now create a new folder that is RC modifications, or else you can name whatever you want. So the new mate should be inside this folder, so we don't need to get confused inside it. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Let's delete this, or else let's keep it one. You can select these all parts, right click, and let's add to the folder RC mod, or else just wait a second, select these all, just drag all to inside the RC modifications and set, all set. Now let's assemble it. So everything you get designed, it should be designed inside it. It will be applied inside it. Okay. Add the same revolute made this side as well. Select this edge, top edge, and select this top edge. And give the offset value to 4. Okay. I think it's moving other direction. Okay, now it's perfect. Are we good? Think need to make edit it. Okay, now it's perfect. And okay, I forgot it again. Let's see the distance here from the top. From this to this, it is actually 1.5. Do the same operation, guys. Just select revolute mate, do everything. I'm just doing it fast, okay? Offset value 3.5, right? It should be direction to upwards. Save it. Select revolute, select this edge, select this one. The offset value is 0.5. Set all. Okay, I think we need to change the direction. Hold a second, keeping the value is 1.5 mm, that is fine. But wait, God. Okay, hold a second. Okay, now adjust the value. Let's select the revolute mate again. Select this edge and this edge. The value should be 1.5. Okay, let's give the minus value to change the direction, and there you go. Okay, now we need to fit the spring. Well, actually, in order to fit the spring, we have to draw something different here. We have to draw the sketch and make add made connector to it. It's a another task. So I'm just going to skip it that one. For now, only for now. Okay. So let me, in order to fit the spring here, let's do one thing. So we can only find this, only these uh, made connectors. We can't find the center one because it's not being possible. Okay. Let's hold the spring. Now let's fit this here to the chassis. Okay. So to do that, let's switch to the part studio. See the distance from this. We are not going to fit here, to remember that. Okay. Um, uh, just okay. Just choose the section view. Okay, rotate it and save it. Now let's measure the distance. Hide the sketch. Select this edge and this outer edge. So the value is 1.5 center distance. Okay. Switch to wash stroke assembly. Now, right now, let's choose cylinder mate. Okay, not cylinder. Choose. Oh yeah, sorry, cylinder mate only. Select this shaft edge and select this inner edge. Okay, and the mate color should. Well, I want to choose fastener mate for now. I will. Let's make this animation later. Okay, let's give the fastener mate. Select offset and give to 1.5 inside. Okay, click on solve. So every assembly should be moved to this position, and there you go. Now let's move the wheels. So, well, actually, let's undo this operation. Now from this edge to this, let's make it more. Let's keep it this much. Okay. So it should be 12 mm. The shaft, the wheel shaft should be 12 mm. So I'm going to switch to the part studio 1. Okay, go to the modifications 1 and make sure the whole part should be visible for me. Okay, I'm going to do modifications to it. Right click this one. Okay, this is the solid it had drawn. Mm, okay, I have to do. Let me unselect this section view. Turn off the section view. Okay. Now let's visible the sketch. Let's visible our sketch. Okay. I think it is 70. Yeah, this is the sketch. Now select this one. Select solid and choose solid here. Okay. We need to select this one. Okay, not the whole part. We need to actually select the whole here. Okay. Let's select this part. Okay, it should be 19. Okay. Select this region. Make sure the part 19 is visible. Now select the extrude and choose solid. Ah, damn, it's hide it again. Select solid and make the part is visible and choose remove. Remove any one of the side is enough. and merge with this shaft. Okay, now increase the distance and make sure the depth should be up to the face, that is this one. And save now. Or else let's choose the face to this. Okay, it's not working. Or else let's choose the edge. Okay, let's choose the face, this one only, and save it. So this is the new part that is formed, that is 34. Part 34. We need this part 34 right now. So let's switch back to the potato truck. Let's move these wheels to down. We don't. Okay. Click on insert, select RC modifications, and choose part 34. And there it is. Okay. Now we need to fit here. I'm going to delete this shaft. We don't need it anymore. I'm going to select fasten mate, select this cylinder shaft, and select this wheel center and save it. It should be faster made because the wheel should be fit into the wheel, right? And the shaft should rotate. So I'm going to choose revolute mate, select this edge, and choose this edge. And click on solve, the wheel should be aligned. Okay, we have to do the same thing. Instead, okay, just copy this cylinder, right click, copy, and paste it here. Do the same thing, select faster mate, select edge, select this edge, choose change the direction and save it. Now choose revolute mate, select the other side face or edge, and select this last edge to fit and click on save. Now the wheels are aligned. Now we need to fit this connecting plate. Choose revolute mate once again, select any one side of the edge, zoom in. We need to fit these, select the upper edge, okay, not the, flip it and save it, and apply the same. Click escape, just move it because you might feel difficult here. To make it easy, just flip it and select revolute mate, select this edge and this edge, sorry, this edge and this edge. Now save it. Now he successfully designed the steering mechanism. Okay, if we just move this, the wheels will rotate. Oops, 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 oops. I forgot one thing here. Okay, let me do the same fit. This edge and this edge, and give the offset value to 1.5, I think so. Console, yeah, only 1.5. Now let's animate the wheels. Okay, this is not animating. Okay, there's something wrong here. Need to check. Oh gosh, sorry. I have fitted it with fasten made. Okay, it should be rotate. I'm so sorry. Keep it revolute. Keep the same thing. And I have to do right click here in order to find the exact mate. Show the show mates and right click the mate. Sorry, you have three mates to fit to this part. Right click on this one, edit X fasten, and keep it to rotate and save it. If we don't now, you can hide the all mates option. Everything got hidden. Now you can slide it and it will move. And there you go. You can see the truck is moving. Truck wheels are rotating just like steering mechanism. Okay. I think we have given the wheel distance is too much. That's why it's rotating it more. But if we adjust the this rotating value, we can do that. So this is how you can achieve the steering design for any RC vehicle you want to do. Even this is the same procedure that has been following in real manufacturing vehicles. Okay, so that's all for video, guys. We will continue the further process, that is adding the gear and motor to the rear wheels. Okay, and we have to add the motor mechanism to this as well. Let's continue in the next video, and that's all. If you really like this content, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel, guys. This helps me a lot to do more for you. And thank you for watching.